Come test drive the 2022 4Runner. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, battery saver, braking assist, adaptive cruise control, electroluminescent instrumentation, multifunction display. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.